What's up, Diamond Nation? So today I'm going to be showing you how I get my perfect feed-in braids, my secrets to feed-in braids, the products I use, the way I braid it on myself and everything like that. So if you're interested, just stay tuned to this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button down below and click that bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any notifications. So I'm starting off using my Pump It Up Spritz spray, and I'm just going to spray that around the perimeter of the section that I already parted. Then I'm going in with some Shine & Jam. I use the regular one, the orange one, and I'm just going to lay my edges down first. I'm using this edge brush. It's like an edge brush slash edge comb. One end is a brush and one end is a comb. I got it from the local beauty supply store, but you could get it from Walmart or your regular beauty supply store or even Sally Beauty Supply. I'm using Jumbo 100% Connect-A-Line braiding hair. It's like $2 at the beauty supply store, so yeah, it's not expensive at all. I'm just starting off the braid and just braiding, keeping it nice and neat, braiding it to the back of my head, the nape area. And I don't add hair until like the midsection, so I'm gonna go in and add some hair right now. And I tuck the hair underneath my fingers, my index finger and my thumb, and then I just continue to braid while holding the hair in my real hair, if that makes sense. So that I just braid the hair in like so, and just keep braiding, making sure that you keep it nice and neat and uniform. Don't worry if the hair gets tangled. Also, if you have this little piece hanging out like me, just take some of that jam and put it on the piece and then slick it down so nobody can see it, girl. Nobody will see it. I got you on the secrets. I got you on all the secrets today. As you can see, this braid is coming together really nicely. Just continue to braid all the way down until you get to the end. Then once you get to the end, you want to take a rubber band, and mine broke, sorry, so I had to go in with another one. But yeah, take a rubber band and put it on the end of your braid, because if you braid all the way to the end, it might look a little bit messed up and it might not stay. So the rubber band will definitely make the braid stay. So now I'm just going to go in. This part is sped up because I basically just showed you guys the basics. And I'm just going to continue to lay down my edges real nice with the jam. It lays down really good in the edge brush. And then I'm just going to continue to braid the rest of my hair. I opted for only 4 feed-in braids for today, just to make this tutorial not too long and not too, you know, extensive. Because I don't know, some of you guys don't like the long videos. I don't know, some of you guys do, so I probably just continue to do a mix of both. But yeah, just make sure you keep it nice and neat, braid nice and not too tight, you know, not too tight, because you don't want to pull out your hair. But yeah, just add the hair in and just keep going, girl. And watch this video as many times as you need to, so you can follow along with me. You might need to watch the beginning part one more time, like do it with me, watch while you're watching the video. So don't feel discouraged if your braids don't look as neat and good as mine, because you might be a beginner, but you can always learn. That's why I make these videos, so you can just rewind the video as many times as you need to, and just, you can even put it in slow motion so you can get the technique down pat like me, girlfriend. I got y'all. This is the final look. I definitely slayed the heck out of these braids. You know, give this video a huge thumbs up and comment and share this video so someone else can learn how to do feed-in braids on themselves. And don't forget to comment and subscribe, you guys. I love you, Diamond Nation, and see you guys next time.